Today I'll tell you something about 8255 and the connection between 8085 and 8255. When you actually go and see the kit of 8085, you have something, you have some connections over there which you can use. You have some data bus, or you can use some cables to connect 8085 to 8255. 8255 has ports. 8255 kit has ports, three ports: port A, port B and port C. Port A and port B cannot be divided into ports, but port C can be divided into C lower and C upper. That is, this one port can be used as two different ports at the same time. You can use C lower as input output and C upper as input output individually, or as you also have the third option to use the total port C as either input or output. So actually port C gives you three options, and port A and port B can be either used input or output. They cannot be divided as port C. Now, who decides which port will be input output port? So that is controlled by the control register, or the control register contains a control word which is been designed by us, and it is over here in accumulator. We design the control word in accumulator. We give commands to 8085 to design 8085, and the control word goes to the accumulator, and from the accumulator we give command to 8085 out, by which the control word over here goes to the data bus and goes to the control register in 8255 and comes over here, and this decides whether the port A will be input output, port B will be input output, or port C will be used in parts input output, or the total as port C. This is how it is done, and yeah, that's all.